Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a couple of pairs of shoes that I purchased. They are both Easy Spirit Espadrille Wedge shoes. They are the Meza7 and the Meza. So I'm going to show you how they came because, to be honest with you, I was very impressed with the packaging. So let me open up the box and show you how they came like this. And I already opened one shoe so you can see how that was, what the shoe actually looks like. These are really cute to wear with a pair of pants when you're going out for the evening, with a dress for the summer. They're just really a super cute shoe. So let me show you how it was packaged. So you open the box, and this is how they come, which is really nice. It's really nicely protected. They have the insert cushioning so the shoe stays in form when you get it. So what I want to do now is I want to show you the other pair I got, which is the Meza. So those are the Meza7 because, as you can see, they have the gold in between the espadrille rope, which is really nice. And then these are just plain black with the espadrille, no gold running through there. That's the difference between the Meza, which is these, and the Meza7 with the gold. Both wedge, both the same shoe, both the same height. I wanted to get a pair in black and a pair in natural because, of course, they go with different outfits, and a girl can definitely not have too many shoes. So next I'm going to show you, they're padded inside, really nice, soft and cushy. They have the strap that is stretchable, and this strap does not stretch on the back, but the two, when you slide your foot in, do stretch, which makes it easier to get in and out of the shoe. And it's the same with the natural color. Same format, same shoe, just the difference between the gold. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put them on and show you how they look on and let you know if they're comfortable, if they're not, and what my final thoughts are on the shoes altogether. But as Easy Spirit always does, they really have always very comfortable shoes. So that's why I bought this brand to begin with. Let's see if Easy Spirit lives up to the name. So currently I have on the black pair, which is the Meza. So they are true to size. I wear a 6.5 and these are a 6.5 and they fit perfectly. Just so you can see, you just step in. Here is the elastic, very comfortable on the foot. It's got some of the rope wedging on front, and then you can see the height in the bottom of the shoe, which is really nice because it's nice to have a little height. And these are really comfortable. There's a nice cushion inside. I'm going to spin around for you so you can see how cute they are. I really like these. They're really comfortable, and I feel like I could go all day in these shoes. They're super supportive, and they're just a great overall shoe. I'm really happy with the quality of these Easy Spirit shoes, and it's nice to have something new for the summer, and espadrilles are really in style right now, and I think these are really a good choice I made, and I hope if you give them a shot, you will love them as well. Now I want to show you the other pair I bought, which is the natural. So these are the Meza7 in the natural color. And I don't know if you can see or not through the video, but they do have a little bit of gold running through the canvas as well as in the wedge heel, which really I think takes them up a notch. So they're really for two different uses. The black is for different things, and this is really for a different choice of outfit. They're really super cute, super comfortable, and I really think they were a good choice. They go great with pants. You can wear it with a dress. It's just a really good overall shoe, and they're extremely comfortable. The wedge is probably 2.5 inches high in the back, just so you know, so you can get an idea on that. And again, I think they definitely run true to size because I'm wearing my size again, which is a 6.5, and they fit absolutely perfect, super comfy. Today I want to show you a pair of Easy Spirit shoes I bought for spring, summer. So these are the Luciana, and I bought them because I like the Easy Spirit brand because Easy Spirit is usually a very comfortable shoe. And also because I wanted something to wear either with jeans at night in the summer or a pair of shorts. And I need something to go with navies, and these look like the perfect choice. So let me open up the box and show you what they look like. So this is the shoe. It comes with they're a flat. They're really calling them like a sneaker, but to me, this is not a sneaker because I would not wear this for walking. I would wear this more just to go out at night or to go out during the day, do errands, food shopping, whatever you need to do. So you can see they have the really cute cutouts on the top, but the cutouts are for decoration, and they have this gourd elastic, which is really nice for movement and for comfort. And I want to show you, I don't know if you can see inside, but there is a lining. So you have the cutout detail to show you how cute the shoe looks and for style, but for comfort, you have a lining inside so you don't have that cutout feeling. So the bottom is really nice. They have a great backing, so it's skid protection. Again, these are Easy Spirit, and I did buy them in 6.5, which is my size. I did not have to go up a size or down, so they are definitely sized correctly. So I'd like you to just see, I just want to show you one more time inside the shoe. I think they're just really super cute and super updated for summer, and I want to actually show them to you on my foot. So here they are on my feet. Definitely true to size and definitely really comfortable. So I want to show you the side. You can see nice flexibility. You can really see the cutout detail, which is really nice. Just adds a little extra to the sneaker. And they're really super comfortable. I'm going to turn around so you can see them. Again, these are Easy Spirit and great for running errands during the day, great for just hanging around. They're just really a super cute shoe. And I think if you give them a shot, you'll love them. Nice padding inside, really comfortable. You could definitely do these all day, errands, out at night for dinner, wear them on the boat. They're just really a cute overall shoe. And like I said, what really made me purchase them was the cutout, because a lot of these sneakers that have the same design don't have the cutout. And I just wanted something different and something that was what I thought a little bit of a step up. So hope you'd enjoyed this review. Follow us for more.